Communo Freelancer Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we're diving into Communo, a platform that connects creative professionals with agencies and brands. The link to Communo can be found in the description below for those interested in learning more. Communo targets experienced freelancers and creative professionals, particularly those with expertise in marketing, design, content creation, strategy, and branding. Unlike typical freelancer platforms that focus on a broad range of industries, Communo is specifically built for creative talent, making it ideal for professionals in the marketing and advertising space looking for high-level projects. It's particularly well-suited for independent consultants, agencies, and even small creative teams. One of Communo's key features is its focus on building long-term, collaborative relationships rather than just short-term gigs. The platform helps freelancers and agencies form partnerships, allowing them to expand their network and find ongoing high-quality work. Communo's unique, collaborative model sets it apart, as it allows freelancers and agencies to team up for larger projects or work independently, depending on the client's needs. For freelancers, the platform provides access to a curated list of businesses looking for specialized skills. These clients tend to be agencies and brands looking for top-tier talent to help with strategic work. Communo also offers tools for managing projects, invoicing, and communications, streamlining the workflow for both freelancers and agencies. Communo's membership model gives freelancers access to exclusive opportunities and an elite network of creative professionals. This makes it ideal for experienced freelancers who are ready to take on high-stakes, rewarding projects and collaborate with other top professionals. The platform is not just about finding work. It's about building your brand and reputation within a community of like-minded experts. In summary, Communo is a great platform for experienced creative professionals who want to work with agencies and brands on meaningful, high-level projects. It's not a platform for everyone, but if you're in the creative industry and looking for the right opportunities, it's definitely worth considering. Be sure to check out the link in the description for more details.